Okay, so let's see how we use the area or Riemann sums program. So we're going to put our function into y equals as if we were to graph it. So y equals x squared is the one I'm interested in. I want the area of that, let's say from 0 to 1. I'll press program, and then Riemann is the first program, so I'm going to push 1, push enter, and it says enter f of x and y1, and I've already done that, so I'm going to push 1. Draw pictures. Yes, sure, I would like pictures, so I'm going to push 1, enter. Left endpoint, I want the area from 0 to 1, so left endpoint 0, right endpoint 1, that's like my a and b values. And it says, do you want left sum, right sum, trapezoids, midpoint, again, rectangles or left sum, whichever way you want to call it. Let's say I want the right rectangle, so right sum, I push 2, and then I push enter, and it says n question mark. That's the number of divisions you want. So if I want 4 divisions, I push 4. If I want 8 divisions for a better approximation, 8 and so forth, I push enter, and it shows me y equals x squared from 0 to 1. And notice it makes 4 rectangles for me. Now up here, the thing is moving around and circling. That means it's still going on. So I push enter, and the very last enter gives me the value of the sum, 0.46875. If I want to do that again, I can push program, or I guess it's circling around. So let me push enter, and it says change n. I'm going to say, yeah, sure. Let's go make more rectangles. Let's make 8 rectangles and see what a right sum looks like. There's x squared from 0 to 1. And there we go. We have 8 rectangles. I'm going to push enter again because whenever the thing is circling around, it means it wants more prompts, more things for you to do. And now that's a better approximation, 0.39-ish. Let's do it again. I'm going to push enter again because it's waiting for me. And change n again. Yes. And let's do like 50 rectangles. I know in class we showed that the area between 0 and 1 was 1/3, so 0.333. With using n divisions, let's use 50 and see what happens. There's my y equals x squared. There's a ton of little rectangles, specifically 50 that I asked for. Notice how the approximation obviously becomes better because you're not going over as giant amounts as you were before. I'm going to push enter again, and notice it's 0.34-ish. So we're already getting closer to the 0.333 or 1/3 we were discussing when we proved it in class. I push enter again, and then I'm going to say quit. I'm done. And there we go. And that's how you use the program.